Hey guys, Alex Pushkar here with Siren Marine in another episode of Siren U. Today we're going to talk about connecting our hardwired temperature probe directly to the Siren Marine MTC device. We have two hardwired temperature inputs on the MTC, so you can actually connect two hardwired temperature probes. Our temp probes come in a length of 9 feet. So if you're trying to, monitor something locally to where the MTC is mounted, it's your best bet to actually use this temperature probe. It's important to note that the length of this hardwired temperature cable is only 9 feet long. So if you're trying to monitor something farther away from the MTC installation, then definitely go with the wireless sensor option on that one. So what we have here is our hardwired temperature probe, our MTC device, our flathead screwdriver, which actually comes in the box of the MTC, and a pair of wire strippers. That's pretty much everything you need to mount and connect our temperature probe directly to the temperature 1 input on the MTC. So right out of the box of the hardwired temperature probe, you can notice, like I said earlier, it is a 9-foot hardwired cable here. So we have our probe. It's an inch-long probe on the end, and then I have 4 cables coming out of here. I have a red, a white, a black, and a blue. For this installation here, we're not going to use the red wire. That is because this red wire would be if we were to daisy chain both hardwired temperature probes directly to the MTC. So if we were using 2 hardwired probes on this installation, we would be using this red wire to communicate with the second probe. Here, I'm going to be only using my white wire, and I'm going to splice together my black and my blue because they're going to share an input here. So if I take the cover off the MTC device, you'll see a temp 1 positive and a temp 1 negative. The blue and the black wire are going to share that temp 1 negative input. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to connect that cable, the blue and the black cable, directly to temp 1 negative with our handy Siren Marine screwdriver here. And then I have our white wire here that's going to be terminated at temp 1 positive. Again, the best bet with the red wire is probably just going to be to heat shrink that guy closed or cut it flush with the black sleeve of the temp probe cable, because that's not going to be used in your single temp probe application. If we were using 2, that's when we would splice our red together with the second probe. So that's everything for how to connect this hardwired temp probe to the MTC. I'm Alex Pushkar. This is another episode of Siren U, and thanks for watching.